Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video out in the garage. Doing this piece of the fender. We are going to make the top of the fender with the pattern matching the hood sort of. But this piece we need to match it vertically. So we're going to put a piece on here. You can see we've already laid our knife tape here. And we have also cleaned it well. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to fit this piece on here. This piece is going to go on here like this. We got to figure out where it's going to be. It'll be about here. And right about there. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold it with our knee for a second while we get out a little piece of tape. And like you saw how we did on the other spot, we taped this. We put a piece of tape like this on the seam. And this allows us to work from here. It allows us to peel the vinyl off. And if we take this like this, you'll see how it is. And we can start peeling the vinyl like this. And of course, it's going to not want to stick. Tape doesn't want to stick, so we have a little hard time. And once we get a little pulled like that, we can take it like this. We take the vinyl part, pull it away, get them both in one hand here. Remember, there's studs there that we're hitting for our and you can kind of feel with it, see that it's real smooth. Once we get that far, take this tape off. Push that down good, because you want to make sure your knife tape pulls nice. So we'll pull that now. And so you pull that down. Then we can pull this piece off. Gotta remember to get your knife tape out of the joint. I'm not sure that's out of the joint. No, it's not. See, there's that sneaky piece right there. Whee! I'll get that rid of that. Now we got to take our squeegee again and come up on where that edge is. And we want to push it into the edge. Just like this. I'm going to go get our heat gun. Throw a little heat on that. And push it in one more time. And we want to push it like this. That's pretty nice. Now we got to cut this a little bit here, or get it to fold in anyhow. And we can hold this up like this. We can start rolling it in. And we need to get a little heat in there. Okay. Get out our knife. You can see we got a little bit of excess here. We're gonna push this down, see right where it's at. Now the nice thing here is you can just roll this. Make sure when you did this, you cleaned this edge real nice. And we're going to come in here. I want to look where our knife tape is. So we don't want to cut our knife tape. It's in that corner pretty nice. We're going to look for our knife tape here. And you get that sticky stuff on your fingers, you can pull the knife tape. I have some pliers. Oh, we got the surgical serrated pliers. Hey, look at that, worked. Excellent. And don't forget to get your little piece out. Get your squeegee out. Rub the joint down good. There we go. So there you go, that quick, start to finish that part of the fender. Like I said, here we wanted the pattern vertical so it matches with this side of the Jeep. Up here we want it to match the fender, so it's going to be running front to back. So we're going to cut those pieces and fit them next. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Use the links below to shop. Help support the channel. Thank you very much.